Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Here we will discuss part 2 of 180 MCQ on Vedic age. This video is going to be very helpful for your examination, so watch the video till end and subscribe my channel. So without wasting the time, let's get started. Question 31. A wealthy person in the early Vedic period was known as. Correct answer option C. Gomat. Question 32. The Trajan War is mentioned in. Correct answer option B. Rigved. Question 33. The one primarily engaged in cultivation, animal husbandry, and trade during the later Vedic period. Correct answer option C. Vaishya. Question 34. The main chief social unit of the Aryans. Correct answer option C. Jan. Question 35. Ved includes magic spells and charms for warding off evil spirits and diseases. Correct answer option C. Atharvaved. Question 36. The Purv Mimamsa school of philosophy was founded by. Correct answer option B. Gemini. Question 37. The Bharat clan is first mentioned in. Correct answer option C. Rigved. Question 38. Brahmacharya, Grasth, Vanprasth and Sannyas are the four ashrams recognized by. Correct answer option D. Brahman. Question 39. Sanskrit is a part of family of languages known as. Correct answer option C. Indo-European. Question 40. The ancient name of Beas river. Correct answer option A. Vipasha. Question 41. Total number of Veds in Indian literature are. Correct answer option C. 4. Question 42. Oldest Ved which has 10 mandals. Correct answer option D. Rigved. Question 43. The language of the Aryan text was. Correct answer option C. Sanskrit. Question 44. The iron implement site of Hastinapur was found in. Correct answer option C. Uttar Pradesh. Question 45. As per the Rig Vedic or early Vedic period, river goddess was. Correct answer option D. Sindhu. Question 46. A hymn in the Rig Veda presents a dialogue between sage Vishwamitra and the rivers. Correct answer option A. Bees and Satluj. Question 47. Atri, Bharadwaj, Gautam, Kashyap, Bhrigu, Vasisht and Vishwamitra are. Correct answer option A. 7 rishis. Question 48. Protecting people and administering justice was the responsibility of. Correct answer option B. Kshatriya. Question 49. Brahman, Kshatriya, Vaishya and Sudra were. Correct answer option C. 4. 1. Question 50. Ved dealt with music. Correct answer option B. Samved. Question 51. To rescue the earth which sunk into the water, Lord Vishnu took the shape of. Correct answer option C. Boar. Question 52. The third of the 10 incarnation of the Hindu god Vishnu is. Correct answer option C. Boar. Question 53. According to the Ramayana, Ratnakar was other name of. Correct answer option B. Balmiki. Question 54. Collection of Vedic hymns are called. Correct answer option C. Samhita. Question 55. Purushuk is a hymn from. Correct answer option D. Rigved. Question 56. Siksha, Kalp, Vyakaran, Nritta, Chand and Jyotish are correct answer option C. Vedant. Question 57. The term Up in the term Upanishad denotes correct answer option B. Nearness. Question 58. The oldest Upanishad correct answer option C. Brihadaranyaka. Question 59. The Aitreya Upanishad belongs to 4th, 5th and 6th chapters of the second book of Aitreya Aranyak of the correct answer option D. Rigved. Question 60. Upanishads, Brahmans and Aryank are part of correct answer option C. Option A. Vedic literature.